Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone, for a quick check of what the last few hours of Friday hold in store for us. But first, a look back at what's happened so far today. And it was a cloudy and wet start to the day over parts of northern Gauteng. We had a couple of heavier downpours around Tshwane early in the day. Along the south coast, it was also a cloudy start, but things have been clearing out over that area. While along the east coast, it's remained cloudy throughout the day. And we've also had a bit of light rain, including over the adjacent interior. Mthatha's experienced some drizzle. Thunder showers have developed over Namibia, Botswana, as well as our central interior, as well as into parts of the Drakensberg. Now for this evening, we're going to see the cloudy weather persisting over the extreme eastern parts of the country. Along with that, we're still expecting rain in places, partly cloudy with an isolated chance for some thunder shower activity through the central parts, while it's going to be a dry and especially warm night over the western interior of South Africa, particularly in the Northern Cape. Now Saturday will start off cloudy with morning rain over the far eastern parts once again. Things will start clearing out of KwaZulu-Natal later on, where it will be partly cloudy, and once again the usual thunder showers developing across the central parts under partly cloudy conditions. Mainly clear towards the west, and it's going to be a much warmer day in the south. We're expecting a very hot afternoon over parts of the western and eastern Cape interior. Now for this evening, there's still scattered thunder showers expected over the eastern Cape, particularly for the mountainous regions, while we see a very good chance for rain along the eastern escarpment overnight and a chance for a few showers into the Lowveld as well. Isolated thunder showers over the central parts, including Gauteng, down into the central and western Free State, and also over parts of the northern Cape. Far western South Africa, on the other hand, will remain dry for tonight. Durban is expecting a cloudy evening. There is a chance for some light rain, warm and humid with a minimum temperature of 22 degrees. And tomorrow afternoon will be partly cloudy with a high of 28, although there will still be a chance for some light rain at first when it will be cloudy. Let's take a look at minimums now for the rest of the country. A very warm evening expected for Uppington, dropping down to 24 degrees. 17 for Pretoria, remaining in the 20s along the eastern coastline, but cooler over the Mpumalanga Highveld. Many areas dropping down into the mid to lower teens. Tomorrow afternoon is expected to be warm to hot for most parts of South Africa, upper 20s and low 30s in the east. Much warmer than that as we head further westwards, reaching the upper 30s and low 40s for some parts of the Northern Cape. A lovely day for the southern coastline. George gets to 26 and Port Elizabeth and East London reaching a high of 27. Now on Sunday, we're expecting thunderstorms across the Highveld once again. Dry for Cape Town, 30 degrees as a maximum. And on Monday, it's going to be partly cloudy, dry and hot along the eastern coastline, where Richards Bay reaches a high of 34. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.